In this video, you will learn how to fix issues that were flagged by a previous operator in OpenText Captiva Capture web client. You will receive a batch with expense reports, and one of the pages was flagged as being too dark, so you need to replace it with a good quality image. Click Process Batches to see which batches are ready. Select the batch to process by hovering the pointer over the batch row and clicking Begin. After the document in the task loads, click Organize. View the reason for the flag by hovering the mouse over the flag. The reason for flagging the page was because it was too dark. Now you need to find the good quality page. In this case, the page is an image file on your computer. But first find some identifying information on the flag page by hovering the mouse over the page and clicking the eye. In this case, look at the date and total expenses. Exit the page preview by clicking X in the top left corner or by pressing the Escape key. To import the good quality page, click the Add Page icon. Click Import and find the file. After checking to make sure it's the same page, delete the flagged page. To move to the next step, click Next, and then click through the rest of the dialogues. Complete the task by clicking Next, Submit, and then Done.